Hello folks. I'd like to start this little quick short video off by saying you guys are great. Thank you all for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and liking and commenting, and you guys are great. Since we started our channel, we've always had the name Appalachian American Homestead. After much thought, consideration, me and Carolyn and Dan's been talking about it. We're going to be changing our name to Holman's Homestead. That's our last name. That was my grandpa's last name. We're here at his farm, and I'd like to think him looking down, he would like that there. And folks, I hope y'all continue watching us. Everything should still be the same, just our name be different. For the time being, we're going to be keeping our logo. It's the Tennessee flag, and you all should still get notifications and everything. It'll just be Holman's Homestead instead of the old name. And once again, you guys are great for subscribing to us and watching us. And we're just a little simple channel. And folks, once again, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Tomorrow's What's for Supper Wednesday. It should have our new name up. We'll try to get that changed in a little bit. And any questions, just put them in the comments there. We'll try to answer them. Here comes a car going down the road. Once again, folks, y'all are great. Hope y'all have a great week. Lord willing, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you again for watching.